Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this video I'm going to cover the CCG Outcomes Indicator set. That has ceased being updated as of the last release in October 2022, simply because CCGs were abolished and replaced by ICBs, Integrated Care Boards. So I'm quite sure there'll be an ICB OIS 1 next year. Anyway, so CCG OIS, this is another big bunch of tables, different varying metrics. Rather than me reeling off the whole list, if you just pause the video here, and then I'm going to press page down for you to see the rest. And there's the rest down to here. So that's the whole bunch. Now, if I just query a random one, so alcohol specific readmission within 30 days of discharge. So you've got the usual period that is covering, breakdown, the code that relates to the actual area that's being covered, and the values. And often, not all of them, but often there's the confidence interval, lower and upper, and the denominators and numerators. So all the data you need is there. And in terms of understanding these data sets a bit more, you'd want to go to the website and go to the latest one, or the one that the period that you're looking at, and then which one are we looking at here? So emergency alcohol specific readmissions. So that is emergency. There's a few there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to query the catalog just to make sure I've got the right table. So select star from release details dot all available tables where table name equals this. If you're wondering why I didn't select the one, watch the tutorial video that explains why some tables don't have a 1 at the end. That'll explain that. 3.15, that's it. Here it is, alcohol emergency readmission. So 3.15 on there. And then you can see you've got the data there, that's what we get, and you get the indicator specification, which is there. And that's a PDF that explains the metric. So yeah, you just have to obviously read through this PDF to understand the data and how they calculate everything. We do download a copy of these PDFs with the files, and we'll be making these files that we download available in an update we're going to be doing potentially next year. No one's actually asked for it yet. If anyone asks us to make it so that you can just request the original files and any related PDFs that relate to any data set. So like with this one, you'd want 112916, you just submit that in an API, say, and that will go right up the priority list. But we're going to do it eventually. So anyway, so as long as you know it's there, CCG OIS, that's it really. Thanks.